I'm filming today's vlog on my mother's borrowed camera, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. Have fun! I'm recording this on the broken camera. It appears that, like, the lenses are out of line or something. Today's vlog is going to be very different. I'm going to try and fix this camera. Well, if I can ever work out how to take it apart. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this if you don't know what you do. And let's be honest, I have no clue what I'm doing. There we go. There's more fries in here. What do I do? Oh no. Back's more likely to come off. Right, I'm going to try and get this cover off and come back in a moment. No luck so far. Well, there's two things. I took apart the wrong side apparently, and on this side there's clips. So, just a bit of percussive maintenance, and I should be able to pull this side off. Hopefully. With any luck, and I hope I haven't broken anything. Clips down the bottom. Here we go. Yeah, this side doesn't reveal much. Oh, you? Right, we're into the side that we need to be in, but as it appears, this is a sealed part of it, so I'm gonna have to try and get in from the back somehow. The LCD comes out very nice, and then just a bit of Flatfex on the back. These things were not designed for servicing. Here's a wacky idea. Let's turn it on and see what it does. Let's put the battery in. So cool. It still works, we know that. Still nothing on the screen. Except definitely something under there. So we have to get in there. How do I get into there? That part of the apparatus functions perfectly. The sensor behind it. Now I've just realised I've done something very stupid. Very stupid indeed. I powered it up, so potentially the flash circuit will be charged, which is very bad because that operates at very high voltages. So I'm going to give it a while to hopefully let these capacitors drain. There's a screw here that I can't find a screwdriver to fit, so I'm going to give it a rest for today. I'm losing the light anyway. So sorry that this video was long and boring, but thank you for watching this far, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.